So here's how you can access Apple Watch sleep data on the iPhone. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, make sure that the Apple Watch is, you wear it on your wrist during the night. Make sure that it has enough battery to capture all of the data. But once you have it, and especially if you can access it on the watch, you will also have the ability to find it on the iPhone. The way or the place to go is the Health app, so you can find it on your device like that. It should probably give you some data right away, like perhaps it's going to be part of the summary or suggestions, but if not, click on the magnifying glass in at the bottom right, go to the sleep like that, and you should be able to see all of the sleep related data. So you should be able to browse literally the same thing, but since we have the larger screen of a phone, it's going to be much easier to read, and perhaps even more information is going to be available, right? So you'll be able to track your trends and, go back in a time, compare it to like last week's sleep data or whatever, right? But all of those things will be stored right here. Of course, that is kind of like a prerequisite, but just make sure that you are accessing it on the iPhone that is actually paired to that Apple Watch, because the watch can only be paired to one iPhone, so it has to be that particular device. But you should be able to find it, so let me know if you did. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and quick tips like this one, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.